How to replace a Human Touch PC-600, PC-610, or PC Pro main control module. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a new zip tie. To get started, unplug the chair. Next, tip the chair gently onto its left-hand side. Now, remove the cable clamp that secures the cables to the control module, then disconnect the connectors from the module. Loosen the screw that secures the control module to the chair. Now, slide the control module upward to detach it. Cut the zip tie that secures the control module cable to the other cables. If the chair has a Supreme upholstery package, remove the cable from the pocket on the underside of the seat, unplug the cable from the power hub attached to the chair's stretcher bar, then feed the cable through the cable guides on the bottom of the chair. You can now remove the control module. Before installing the new control module, note the color associated with each socket. Then, slide the control module downward onto the mounting bracket. Make sure the mounting screw is aligned with the control module screw hole, then tighten the screw to secure the module. Now, plug the top two control module connectors into the corresponding socket by color, with the cables facing away from the chair seat. When plugging in a connector, rotate it gently until you can feel the connector pins align with the socket holes, then push the connector firmly into the socket to secure it. Now connect the side connector, aligning the connector notch with the corresponding control module notch. The cable should be facing upward. Next, position all three cables inside the cable clamp area, then replace the cable clamp to secure them. Secure the three cables together a couple inches from the control module, using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. If the chair has a Supreme upholstery package, coil the excess control module cable, then tuck it into the pocket on the underside of the seat, feed the cable through the cable guides on the bottom of the chair, and then plug it into the power hub. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Plug in the chair, and you're done.